So, okay, I'm talking El Nino.
Yep.
Okay, La Nina is happening right now. Pretty decent La Nina. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me give you a La Nina, an ENSO neutral, and an El Nino update. So here we go. Take a look at this. So I always go back to this chart that I have here. So right now, we're down here in this blue line. So yeah, we're in a La Nina right now. It's not a very strong one, but a moderate one right now. So that's where we are right now. By the month of February, we're still in a La Nina, but a real weak one, but we're trending out of it. We'll be in an ENSO neutral phase in March. And then as we head through the spring, there's April. We get up to this red line, we're in an El Nino. So we're approaching El Nino by May. And right now, it appears as though we're in a strong El Nino as we head into this upcoming summer. Certainly by the beginning of summer, June, July, August, meteorological summer. But by summer, we'll be in an El Nino. And I'd say by the middle of summer, we're in a pretty strong El Nino. So what does all of this mean? So a weak La Nina right now, that's where we'll finish the winter. And then we'll transition into an ENSO neutral. So as we've had in our forecast, we do expect to stay warmer and drier than normal through the rest of this month. I mean, my 14-day forecast clearly shows that. This right now, as of right now, to date, this is the second warmest and the fourth driest winter to date. And we do expect that trend toward near normal conditions for February. So for the rest of this month, drier than normal, warmer than normal, and then as we head into February, we're looking at normal conditions. February is still a really dry month, but we're looking at us trending toward that normal situation in February. So what about as we head into the spring? Well, severe weather during an ENSO neutral spring is typically average. This isn't necessarily a good thing. Our three busiest severe weather months, of course, are March, April, and May, and we average about 15 tornadoes in North Texas per year. What about summer? Well, El Ninos globally, really, but especially here in the state of Texas and the southern part of the United States, El Nino's not a huge driver of Texas weather in the summer. Unfortunately, there's no notable correlation between El Nino and rain or temperatures. But, a big but, tropical activity is impacted because El Nino conditions help suppress tropical systems in the Atlantic. So we'll see what the next several months hold, but I did want to give you an update on one of the big global drivers of our weather. Now, on a much smaller scale, we have a lot of clouds in place, and I don't have much in the way of rain. I've got a few sprinkles. This is midnight. Watch this. That's it. There's 3 o'clock in the morning. So some sprinkles overnight, maybe a spotty shower. Here's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I mean, maybe a little bit of light rain, maybe a rumble of thunder tomorrow morning, but most of us don't see a drop of rain. Then as we head through tomorrow night, the clouds roll back in. Here's a first cold front. That will start to roll through. Maybe this is 6 in the morning on Friday. A couple spotty showers Friday. And then the better chance for rain is going to be over here in East Texas, Louisiana, and Southeast Texas Friday afternoon. So it's 10% coverage. And then a strong cold front moves through on Friday night, early Saturday morning. Wait until you see these high temperatures this weekend. I don't know. You know what you're going to have to do? Bring the pets inside and wrap the pipes. Wait until you see the temperatures for the weekend. Rain chance, 10% Thursday, 20% Friday. Most of us don't see a drop, but wait till you see the weekend. Tonight, 65. 65's the low tonight. This is crazy. A record warm low tonight. That's my forecast. The normal low is 64, okay, or the record low is 64. We'll only warm to 65. The normal high is 56. 79 tomorrow. Still warm and breezy. Clouds in the morning, sun in the afternoon. Look at the weekend, would you? Oh my gosh, Cynthia. You know the normal high is 56.
Yeah, but
it's going to feel like the North Pole around here on Saturday and Sunday. That's it. Oh, we won't even be close to freezing, but it'll be cold. It'll be darn cold compared to what it's been lately. And it's 60s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and then the final 7 of the 14 days. I mean, that's it. We really, truly, we need some rain, and there's not much rain in that forecast at all. I mean, the majority of us over the next 14 days, you could extend that forecast out through the end of January. It's warmer than normal and drier than normal. No change, no snow, sleet, freezing rain, and right now no tornadoes or bad weather, barely a few drops of rain.
Wow.